Ever wondered how your loose change magically turns into investments? Or how those small purchases you barely notice can actually build up over time? It's a question that's probably crossed the mind of anyone trying to save a little extra without drastically changing their spending habits. And the answer, for many, lies in the world of micro-investing apps, with one name popping up quite frequently, Moka. But how does Moka actually work? How does it access your spending data to round up your purchases? The secret lies in its connections. Specifically, the banks it connects to. That's what we're diving into today. What banks does Moka connect to? Before we get into the specifics, let's quickly recap what Moka is for those who are unfamiliar. Moka is a micro-investing app designed to help you save and invest small amounts of money automatically. It works primarily through what's called roundups. Every time you make a purchase with a linked card, Moka rounds that purchase up to the nearest dollar. That spare change, those cents left over, are then automatically invested into a diversified portfolio chosen by you. So, if you buy a coffee for $3.50, Moka rounds it up to $4, and that 50 cents difference is what gets invested. These small amounts accumulate over time, turning your everyday spending into a passive investment strategy. It's a brilliant way to save without really feeling the pinch. Now, the crucial part of this process is the connection between Moka and your bank account. Without access to your transaction data, the roundup system simply wouldn't function. This is where the question of bank connectivity becomes paramount. Moka connects to your bank accounts through a secure, encrypted connection. This connection allows Moka to access your transaction history, identify eligible purchases, and calculate the roundup amounts. But which banks are compatible? Unfortunately, Moka doesn't explicitly publish a comprehensive list of every single bank they support. This is fairly common practice for apps like this, as maintaining and updating such a list would be a constant task. However, the good news is that Moka generally supports a wide range of major banks and credit unions. In most cases, if your bank offers online banking and supports secure data sharing with third-party applications, it's highly likely that it's compatible with Moka. This includes the major Canadian banks, such as RBC, TD, BMO, Scotiabank, and CIBC, as well as many smaller banks and credit unions across the country. If you're unsure whether your specific bank is supported, the best way to find out is to try connecting your account within the Moka app itself. During the setup process, you'll be prompted to select your financial institution from a list. If your bank is listed, you're good to go. If it's not, you might want to reach out to Moka's customer support directly to confirm compatibility or explore alternative solutions. It's important to understand that Moka utilizes secure, read-only access to your transaction data. This means that Moka can only view your transactions. It cannot make any changes to your accounts, transfer funds outside of the roundup process, or access any sensitive personal information beyond what is necessary for the roundup function. This is a critical security measure that protects your financial data. Now, let's address some common concerns about connecting your bank account to a third-party app like Moka. Security is, understandably, a top priority for everyone. Moka uses bank-level encryption and security protocols to protect your data. They employ industry-standard security measures, including data encryption, secure servers, and regular security audits, to ensure that your information is safe and protected. They also adhere to strict privacy policies, ensuring that your data is not shared with unauthorized third parties. Furthermore, Moka uses a secure connection facilitated by Plaid, a trusted third-party service that specializes in connecting financial applications to bank accounts. Plaid acts as a secure intermediary, facilitating the connection between Moka and your bank without Moka ever directly accessing your banking credentials. This adds an extra layer of security and ensures that your sensitive information remains protected. So, in summary, while Moka doesn't provide a definitive list of every single supported bank, it generally connects to the vast majority of major banks and credit unions in Canada that offer online banking and support secure data sharing. The best way to check is to simply try connecting your account within the app. The connection itself is secure, utilizing bank-level encryption and secure protocols, and is facilitated by Plaid, a trusted third-party service. This ensures that your financial data remains safe and protected throughout the process. The key takeaway here is that Moka's ability to seamlessly round up your purchases relies entirely on its secure connection to your bank account. This connection, while requiring access to your transaction data, is designed with security and privacy as paramount concerns. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.